Hi viewers, welcome back to Daily Fever. In this video, I am talking about 5 minutes rowing workouts for beginner. Step 1 to your first workout is nailing your rowing techniques. Then you will use a few different terms to help you adjust your pace. The rowing machine or a rower or ERG. Measure your power output. Depending on your machine, you can track your distance, time, speeds, calories, and other variables. You can also adjust your resistance. The workout. In this first workout, you will focus on the distance. After a 1 minute warm-ups row, you will aim to row 500 meters in 3 minutes. After those 3 minutes, finish with another minute to cool down and you are done. The time it takes you to row 500 meters is also called your split time. In this workout, you aim for a 3-minute split time to get used to the form. Intermediate and advanced athletes may aim for as little as a 1-minute split time. Be sure to start this and all workouts with a complete dynamic warm-up to prepare your body.